Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I am going to show you a very interesting recipe of Jew plums, or also called as the June plums or the African plums or God ambade. Now these are the hog plums which you find commonly in Goa, or what we call the ambade. Yes? Now don't confuse yourself with hog plums and Jew plums. Hog plums are smaller in size, they are very sour in taste, and they have a seed inside. Whereas Jew plums or the African plums are sweeter and they are fleshy. You can cut them into pieces. They don't have a seed inside but just a fibrous core inside. So today let's make a tempting pickle out of the Jew plums, also known as God ambade. Now I have peeled the Jew plum, and these skins I will use to make chutney. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes. Now cut the Jew plum into pieces. It is not very easy to cut them because that inside fibrous part is a little difficult to cut. Now mine are nice and matured Jew plums. They are not very tender. Since I am using a very sharp knife, they seem to be getting cut, but they don't easily get cut. You cut them into halves and quarters, whatever way possible. You cut them and make them into pieces. You can see that there is this fibrous part like, which is a bit difficult to cut. Or you can cut them into like this pieces, whichever way you can cut. Basically what we need to do here is I need pieces to be cut. Yes, and make them into smaller pieces. I have about 25 of these Jew plums today. Of all these, I am not going to make the same recipe. Some I am going to make a different recipe which I'll upload later. So keep tuned to Melita's Delicacies. See, these I am going to keep for another recipe. And this is the center part of it, and it is quite fleshy. Although I cannot cut it, it is quite fleshy. I am going to incorporate it in another dish. Yes, see, this is the fibrous part which is there inside. It is not a seed. And these Jew plums, friends, is just the outer skin is little bit sour, but the inside is sweet kind of a taste it has. You can just eat them raw as well, whereas the others you cannot. Now add salt to it, transfer it into a bowl and cover it and keep weight on it. And let it remain pressed with weight for 2 days. You see, after 2 days, they are well seasoned. You can in fact eat them just like that. I am salivating right now. To be very frank, I just love them, and they are not very sour as well, but very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. You must have eaten or heard about ambadache sasson. Very soon I will upload a recipe on that, so keep tuned to Melita's Delicacies. One important tip to remember while making this pickle is that do not use too much of salt to season, as these ambades are not very sour. You see, they are well seasoned and I can straight away eat them. If you have no time, you can skip this keeping under pressure, but then if you want to preserve it for a longer time, you need to do so. Now here are the ingredients needed to make the pickle. I have 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 12 chilies, and 2 tablespoons of black mustard seeds. Half I am going to use in the mixture, and asafoetida, fresh curry leaves. Now I'm going to use the curry leaves, asafoetida and mustard seeds to give the tempering, whereas I'm going to roast the cumin and the fenugreek seeds. Give a just slight roast so as the moisture goes. Friends, please ensure that you do not add extra fenugreek seeds, otherwise your pickle will turn bitter. 1 tablespoon of black mustard I am using here. I am dry roasting them. Just slightly toss them off and let the mustard pop. Then add the turmeric, so that just as it becomes warmed up, transfer it into a plate so that it cools down, and dry roast the chilies. We don't need to brown them completely. This I am just dry roasting so they get fragrant. And here I have made the powder of the mixture of chilies, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and the mustard, and mix it well in the Jew plum pieces. Make sure you mix them well. Friends, if you are new to my channel or not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes that I upload every week. Add about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and mustard and let the mustard pop. Add the curry leaves, and as they start splattering, turn off the flame, mix them well and add the tempering to the pickle. Give a quick mix so that the heat of the tempering gets into the dry mixture of the spices that we had used. And here your delicious, tempting, mouth-watering Jew plum pickle or the goad ambarenche lonche is ready. Now if you want to preserve this pickle for a longer time, then you heat oil and add oil to it and bottle it like how you do for mango pickle. Or you can keep this in a bottle in the fridge for about a week or so and consume. I have not added extra oil to this pickle because mine will not last surely even for a week. We just love it and it will get over very soon. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Do keep watching Melita's Delicacies for interesting recipes. Make this recipe and enjoy the delicacy when in season. God bless you.